The gentleman may proceed.
Maybe to add to either the enlightenment or additional bewilderment of Senator Pia Cayetano. Yes, the Supreme Court ruled that we did not have jurisdiction. Yes, the Supreme Court ruled that it is immediately executory, but it makes you wonder why the Supreme Court did not issue a writ of injunction. So
did not, sorry, I didn't hear that. It makes you wonder why?
Did not enjoin us, did not issue a writ. It could have, but it did not. So, yeah, your guess is as good as mine, because if they really wanted us to end this, then why didn't they enjoin us?
Just to add to the bewilderment and the enlightenment, what is there to enjoin when we never acquired jurisdiction according to them? What is the pleasure of the Honorable Ontiveros?
Thank you, Mr. President. Dalawang dagdag na punto lang para sa diskusyon natin. Precisely regarding the immediately executory na kababanggit lang ni Senator Pangilinan at inulit din kanina ng good gentleman from Tarlac at pati ng good gentlewoman from Taguig Pateros, immediately executory. Still, Mr. President, there is no defiance here dahil the ruling, hindi pa rin po final siya. And even if the ruling states that it is immediately executory, at kahit inulit po yon dun sa recent na anunsyo ng Korte Suprema tungkol sa MR, even if the ruling states that it is immediately executory, the court itself in many cases has explained that this does not mean self-executory. Immediately executory does not mean self-executory. Section 1, at ito kaugnay ng kasasabi ni Senator Pangilinan, Section 1, Rule 39 of the 2019 Rules of Court states that execution shall issue as a matter of right on motion. This means that a writ of execution issued upon a motion is necessary for the execution of a decision. At this point, Mr. President, wala pa pong iniuutos ang Korte Suprema sa Senado. And secondly, at this point, Mr. President, bukod pa po kasi sa yung first group of complainants, yung House of Representatives mismo sa pamamagitan ng Solicitor General at yung isang bayan, meron pang isang importanteng entity, institusyon sa ating lipunan na nagsalita tungkol doon sa Supreme Court ruling. At ito po ay isang entity sa mass media, ang ABS-CBN. Meron po silang anunsyo, ABS-CBN news statement on articles cited in the Supreme Court decision on Vice President Sara Duterte's impeachment. At gusto ko lang i-make of record dito, Mr. President. Sabi nila, ABS-CBN News respectfully clarifies that the article cited in the Supreme Court decision on the impeachment of Vice President Sara Duterte did not state that the House of Representatives transmitted the articles of impeachment to the Senate without a plenary vote. The ABS-CBN statement, Mr. President, calls into question the factual premises of the SC decision. Isa po ito sa binabanggit na numerous factual errors. If the very factual premises were wrong, the legal conclusion cannot be relied upon. With due respect, salamat po, Mr. President.
Majority Floor Leader.
Yes, Mr. President, last but not the least is a quick manifestation from the distinguished gentleman from Palawan, Senator Erwin Tulfo. I move that he be recognized, Mr. President.
Senator Erwin Tulfo is recognized. You may proceed, sir, if the gentleman will so yield.
Yes, Mr. President.
Ginawang Pangulo, kabilang bagong senador, ako po ay nais ko pong maliwanagan dahil kanina pa po ako nagugulamihanan sa mga pangyayari. Dahil 3 motion po ang nakasala ngayon, motion to dismiss, motion to table, motion to archive. Yung pagkaintindi ko po ngayong araw, 2 lang po ang ating pagdidesisyonan. kung tayo ay i-dismiss na natin ito o tayo po ay magkakaroon ng trial. At nag-aantay po ang taong bayan at lumalalim na po ang gabi. Kaya ang tanong ko po ngayon, are we actually going to vote later or sa ilang saglit? At ano po ang ating pagbobotohan, Ginoong Pangulo? Yan lamang po.
To answer the query of the good gentleman, there are only two pending motions. The motion to table by the distinguished minority floor leader, which has precedence over the earlier motion of Senator Marcoleta, supposedly to dismiss, but that he acceded to amend it accordingly, and he will state the motion before we put it to a vote after we dispose of the motion of the minority floor leader to table. So dalawa lang po yung pagbobotohan at dahil sabi ng kagalang-galang ng puno mayoriya na kayo na po yung huling magmamanifest, tutungo na po tayo doon.
Maraming salamat po.
With that, Mr. President, and no member wishes to interpolate, the minority leader is also seeking the floor. I move that
The
he be
minority
recognized,
leader
Mr.
is
President.
recognized. What is your pleasure, sir?
Thank you, Mr. President. Just one last push, so to speak.
The gentleman may proceed.
We're not saying that we defy the Supreme Court decision. We're simply saying, wait. Patience is a virtue. Yung analogy kasi na sa panliligaw, dismiss mo na kagad. Although merong mga matintimang birheng bumigay. Mas magandang analogy ito, Mr. President. In a basketball game, crucial, finals, world championship, merong review ng foul ang referee. Review muna. Dahil may foul eh. Ang gusto ng isang team, maglaro pa rin kahit nire-review. It's as simple as that. So, why not listen to the possibility of not dismissing but not accepting to table. And then we can bring it out anytime. Again, dun sa sinasabing Supreme Court has never considered a unanimous. It has. And the Supreme Court also spoke. Sabi nila, the immediately executory, they are not considered final until the lapse of the prescribed period without a so. Supreme Court din mismo may sabi niyan eh. Yun lamang po. Hopefully, kung speculation na pinag-uusapan natin, stating that the Supreme Court will not reverse its unanimous decision is also speculative. So, pagbigyan natin to, Mr. President, tumusunod tayo, pero ilagay naman natin sa lugar. Medyo, ang Senado naman dapat itaas natin ang integridad, reputasyon. Hindi tayo, pag sinabi tumalon, tatalon. Pakinggan naman natin muna dahil maraming mali. Maraming error ang House. May error din yung Supreme Court decision, obviously. So you cannot right a wrong by another wrong.